गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरु सरस्वती नमः शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धवोदयस्य. Okay, so here I will explain certain things. First of all, when you take your Ditiya book, we can find the. I think we have analyzed the contents right already in our
no,
class. For you, no.
No.
Okay. Anyhow, I will analyze again. Whether we analyze each other or not, or we can analyze now again.
Sure.
Please take the Anukramanika page. That is the contents, table of contents.
Index.
Yes, index. Index, not contents, table of contents. I have also shared this in our WhatsApp group. So the first one is Prarthana. We have already finished the Prarthana. I will say what are all the theory lessons and what are all the things that should be by hearted. How many shabdas are there? I will explain those things now. Whether my screen is visible? Yeah. So this is the table of contents. First, we have Prarthana. Prarthana is a set of shlokas that we need to by heart, and we also need to learn along with the Padachedaha and the meaning.
Okay.
Second one is a theory lesson. Hello, whether I'm audible?
Yes.
So for theory lessons alone, I will put a mark. Second lesson is a theory lesson. Induhu. Induhu means moon. It says about moon. It is Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda. We didn't finish it right in our class till now, right? We didn't say Induhu. Then Gauhu. Gauhu is Okaranta, the Go Shabda. Okaranta Ubayalinga Shabda. Here we have Ubayalinga Shabda. So till these days, in that sense, Pratama, we have seen either Strilinga or Pullinga or Napumsakalinga. Ubayalinga means the certain shabdas which will be suitable for both Strilinga and Pullinga, like that. So then fourth lesson is Adarsha Purusha Sri Rama. It is about Sri Rama. So this is also a theory lesson. You can mark it in your book. Then Panchamahapatha is Guru Upadesha. So this is not a simple theory lesson. Panchamahapatha. So this is again Ukaranta Shabda. Guru is a Ukaranta Shabda, right?
Guru, yes, Ukaranta.
Guru is a Ukaranta Shabda. So this comes into Ukaranta Shabda. So this is actually theory lesson only. This is not a complete by heart lessons to be lesson like a conversation or something. And this is Lot Lakar. This comes in Lot Lakar. Okay.
Okay.
So what are all the speciality in that lesson? It will be mentioned in the right side. Okay. Then Shashtaha Pataha is Lokokteha. We have seen this already in our class.
Yes, correct.
And what and all we have seen already. I will put it with the red mark. We have seen Prarthana, right?
Yes.
Prarthana fully we have finished. Only 5 shlokas and Chashtaha Patha Lokokteha we finished in our class.
Yes.
And Subhashitani, you came only for half of the class, right? First 5 Subhashitanis we finished. Whether you remember that?
Just a minute, I'll see.
Okay.
20. No, I was not there. I was not there, right?
You're not okay. So we can see this today.
Okay, sure.
Okay, no problem. We can see Subhashitani today. This will be seen today. And again, when we take Bhagavan Vyasaha is a theory lesson. Is a full theory lesson. And Guru Bhakta Upamanyu is also a theory lesson. It's about Upamanyu.
Okay.
Then it is Tulasi 10th lesson. This is also a theory lesson. And Kaveri.
Yeah, also.
This is also a theory lesson. Balako Dhruvaha. This is also a theory lesson. Whether you attended Rishyashankapuram or Madura Prasthanam, these two, whether you attended? Huh?
No, I didn't.
No, okay. So, Mathura Prasthanam, Balako Dhruvaha is a theory lesson. Madura Prasthanam is a theory lesson. Udyogat Labate Dhanam. So, if possible, can you open that lesson? 14th lesson.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Can you see a set of 6 slokas?
Just a minute.
Ji? So this is actually a story. These are not individual shlokas. These are connected shlokas. Not you cannot say it is a story like that. It is
like a
moral.
kavya.
Huh?
Like a kavya. Something.
Like a kavya. Yeah, in fact, like a kavya. But a short kavya. Udyogat labate dhanam. Udyogat means from udyogam. Labate. Obtain. We can obtain dhanam. Dhanam is obtained. So this is not a theory, but this is a poem format like that. Okay. So just a second. Sorry. So Udyogat labate dhanam. This is more or less kavya. Okay. In kavyam also we have gadya kavyam, padya kavyam. So kavyam also again it can be a story or a theory. Poem or a theory. This is a poetic lesson. Mark it with rose color. But you don't want to buy heart many parts. Only important slokas needs to be by heart. And again, when you take Navaratra Mahotsavaha, this explains from Mysore. So this is also theory lesson. And Rishyashankapuram is also a theory lesson. Then Vyakarana Vibhagaha, this is important. I will explain what are all given here. Then Anuvada Abhyasa. These 3 things are not theory lessons. Shashti Samvatsaraha is a poem that we attended already. You attended fully.
Yes, correct.
Whether you attended fully?
Yes, I was there.
Okay. So this to be by hearted. In fact, also this is not. It should not be given in red color. It should be given in rose color. So this is a poetic form. You also attend. So just a second. And Shashti Samvatsara. Okay. And other all things we have finished. That is, we have finished Prarthana, Lokokteha, Subhashitani, and Shashti Samvatsaraha. So Shashti Samvatsaraha I explained in detail to Sharadaji, asking her to say it back. So you tried yourself, right? Shashti Samvatsaraha.
No.
And that-
Okay, sure.
Yes. So today we can see the Shubhashitani full
Shubhashitani.
and Shashti Samvatsaraha. Okay. And others,
Okay.
and I said already, I will explain Anuvada Abhyasaha and grammatical Vyakarana Vibhagaha. Vyakarana Vibhagaha. Here we have 4 lakaras to be by heart.
Hmm.
And we studied only Let Lakaraha and Pratamano. Here we have Lang
Ah.
Lakaraha. Then Lang Lakaraha is past tense. Then Lot Lakaraha is
Future.
future not. Lot is imperative mode. So the future tense will not be covered here in our Ditya.
Okay.
We have Lang Lakaraha, Lot Lakaraha, order or request, Lot Lakaraha. Then order or command, Vidiling Lakaraha, we say no. Vidiling Lakaraha. So 3 lakaras only. Lung, Lot, and Vidiling they have covered. They have not here in this. Well, I asked to study the future tense also for the students. That would be fine. I think we have already covered 1 lakaras class. With 5 lakaras we need to finish. Let, lung, let is present tense, lung is past tense, lit is future tense. Then Lot Lakaraha and Vidiling Lakaraha. When we finish all these 5 things, it will be easy for you to understand. Even though future tense is not covered here, we have to learn it. Okay. So similarly, we have a certain next step in grammar. Not alone in last we have in last Pratama, that is in last examples in Pratama, we have Visheshana alone explained. Visheshana was the only grammatical part which was finished, which was there apart from 10 Shabda Rupani and Dhatu Rupani. Shabda Rupani and Dhatu Rupani, it will be there last. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So here Tvantavyam, Avyayams will be covered here. Kridhantavyayam, Tvantavyayam, Lebantavyayam, then Upasargaha. These 4 things will be covered here. Okay. In a grammatical, Visheshana grammar.
Apart from Shabda Rupani.
Then Shabda and Dhatu Rupa. Dhatu Rupa, we have to do it in both what to say, Atmanepadam and Parasmanepadam. All the 5 lakaras should be by heart, and also we have Vishesha Dhatus here. So the grammatical parts always in second exam, the grammatical parts will take a good look, no? Even if they say in Hindi also in Madhyama, the grammatical parts will be a little bit tough. So, but that gives the basic for the entire journey of learning Hindi. This is generally
I had completed Madhyama. Tritiya, till Tritiya I had completed in school. Hindi.
Tritiya Rashtra Bhasha, you say?
Hindi. Yeah. Yes.
So first is Pratmik, Madhyama, Rashtra Bhasha.
Rashtra Bhasha, okay.
Third exam, you have finished third exam. Okay.
Yeah, I have only certificate now.
Myself also. Actually, I didn't finish. I finished only first exam. I finished only the first exam. Then second exam and third exam, my teachers were making me to ask me to study a lot. But who have studied in the school time only, they have studied.
Yeah, exactly.
So some of the students said that they left the Hindi class because of Sanskrit, because they need Sanskrit. Because Hindi can be learned at any age, no? But Sanskrit teachers are generally not available that much easily. Guided Sanskrit teaching, and so some students said that they left Hindi because it is confusing. That and this. Anyhow, it's a good thing to know. And shall we start? I will share that screen and resume the recording. So here I will finish once again. Oh, I think many of the important portions have not been recorded. Okay, shall see. So I will explain, give a short explanation. So second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, fifth lesson. So then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 theory lessons. In Prathama, we had only
8 or 9?
5 lessons, right? 5 theory lessons only we had. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue color marks are theory lessons. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 theory lessons. And a detailed Vyakarana Vibhagaha. Vyakarana Vibhagaha we can start and finish. It's not a great problem. Then Anuvada Abhyasaha. Okay. Then for
Anuvada we had in Prathama also. That was the
Prathama also we had, and here also we have. Anuvada Abhyasaha is a. It will be a bit tougher. In Prathama, it was very easy, no? That was based upon the grammar what you are studying in Prathama, and this will be based on the grammar what you are studying now.
No.
Okay. And the other lessons, for by hearting, purely for by hearting means we have Prarthana, Lokoktaya, Subhashitani, Sashti Samvatsaraha, then that 2 rupams.
Udyoga, that one.
And the parts of grammar, what you have to do by heart.
This Udyogat Labate Dhanam is not there for.
What?
Udyogat Labate Dhanam is not
Udyogat Labate Dhanam. It's not a full by hearting chapter. Okay. If you want, you can by heart, because this is a Tadyam. It will be nice to by heart. Okay. So if possible, we can by heart that also. So today we shall see the Subhashitani. I will share that screen.
Sure.
So here just a second.
Yeah.
Sorry for being very late.
No problem.
So here Subhashitam. They have given a short introduction about the Subhashitam. Subhashitas are sayings which guide people on life's spiritual path. They include prescriptions of acceptable and unacceptable behavior as to serve as a moral compass of right and wrong actions. They are valued as the guiding light towards the right path of life's journey. A selection of Subhashitas are listed below for your study. Subhashitas is also called a Suktihi, Saduktihi, and Suvachanam. If suppose a question comes saying, define Subhashitas, means this paragraph should be written. Here you just leave one point alone. A selection of Subhashitas are listed below for your study. This point alone should not be there. Okay.
Okay.
So other things, it can be like this thing. So just in short words, Subhashitams are otherwise known as Saduktihi, Suvachanam, or Suktihi, and also it gives it is a guiding task. What should be done and what should not be done will be said in that. And it is taken from numerous kavyas. We don't have a separate, for example, Ramayana means we have Lord Valmiki's Ramayana, or Bhoja Maharaja's Champuramana, something, but not, this is not, it will be taken from numerous sources. Wherever it is available, it will be taken. Okay. प्रियवाक्य प्रधानेन सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता. Can you read it one time?
हाँ. प्रियवाक्य प्रधानेन सर्वौ तुष्यन्ति सर्वे तुष्यन्ति जन्तवः तस्मात् तदेव वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता.
So it is a simple. What they have said is Priyavakya Pradhanena. Priyavakya. By using the Priyavakyam. Priyavakyam means Hitavakyam or pleasing words. Vakyam means sentences, pleasing sentences. By using pleasing sentences, Sarve, everyone, Tushyanti, be satisfied. Who are not serving Sarve Jantavaha. So here the Jantavaha comes with two meanings. If we see, we can see the two meanings here. Jantu, in generally Jantu means any living being, it includes.
Any living creature.
Yeah. Not alone man.
Human.
So, but here generally, but these kinds of words are said for man. So this is one type of meaning. The other type of meaning, why instead of Jantavaha, they could have used Narahano or something, which is a suitable word they can use. But why they use the Jantavaha means the answer is clear. Even if we have any pet dogs or something like that, also pet dogs or something, by speaking some Hitavachanam, by speaking some pleasing words, they also get satisfied. Instead of beating them 1 or 2 times, if we beat, they will. If we beat, they get it. Again and again, if we tease them, what it will happen? It will itself be ferocious even towards us itself, right? So this Jantavaha, Jantavaha is the plural of Jantu. So this applies to all living beings. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha tasmat, therefore tadyeva, like that itself vaktavyam. Like that itself means how the pleasing words itself. So for speaking with the pleasing manner itself, vachane means the words used, such sentences used. Ka daridrata. What daridrata? What is the daridram in using that? Daridram, the correct English word for the daridram means what is state of being deprived, or what is a penury? It's used. Why should we show our penury in the matter of speaking to others? So we should not be while we speak, we should open up and speak. That's the matter.
We should be calm. Okay.
So Uday, second one, Udaye Savita Raktaha Raktascha Astamaye Tatha Sampattau cha Vipattau cha Mahatam Yekarupata. Can you say?
Udaye Savita Raktaha Raktaschandras Chandrastamaye
Raktaschastamaye.
Raktaschastamaye tatha sampattau cha vipattau cha mahata mekarupata.
Yes. Udaye. So Savita, here we are speaking about Savita. Savita means sun. Udaye.
Sun.
In sunrise. Savita means the sun is Raktaha. We know that while during the sunrise, the sun will be red in color, right? Similarly, in the Astamanam also it will be in red in color. That is given. Udaye Savita Raktaha. That is one sentence. You can put a comma after that. Udaye Savita Raktaha. Raktaha cha Astamaye. So all these are combined together because of Sandhi. Raktaha and cha. So because of Visarga Sandhi, that Visarga is changed into shakara. Raktascha. It becomes
Raktash.
Raktascha. Raktascha. Cha astamaye. Cha and a and a, when it combines, what it will be the result?
Cha.
A plus A is
A plus
A plus A. Cha plus astamaye. What it will be?
Chastamay.
Cha astamaye. Why A plus A is A?
Savarna dirgha.
Yeah. Savarna dirgha sandhi. So because of the effect of two sandhis, here it became Raktaschastamaye. Raktaha cha astamaye becomes Raktaschastamaye tata. Similarly, so during the sunrise, it is red in color. Similarly, while sunset also, it is red in color only. So this says about Mahatam. So the similarly, Sampattau cha Vipattau. Sampattau means during prosperity, and Vipatti means Sampatti means prosperity. Vipatti means calamity. And here it is given in Dvivachanam because we are speaking about two things. No, Sampattau cha Vipattau cha Mahatam. Mahatam means great people or Eka Rupata in single way. They are in a single form. Where same, they are similar. So Karta Karayita Chai. Okay. You have read the second one. Karta Karayita Chaiva Prerakascha Anumodakaha Prerakashchanumodakaha Sukrute Dushkrute Chaiva Satvaraha Samabhaginaha. So Karta Karayita doer. So can you read it one time?
Sure. Karta Karayita Chaiva Prerakashchanumodakaha Sukrute Dushkrute Chaiva Chatvara Samabhaginaha.
Yes. Whether you know this already?
Yeah.
So Karta means a doer. Karayita means the person who makes him to do. And that is the promoter. Promoter. Cha eva becomes chaiva. What is that A plus A? What sandhi it is? A plus A becomes I. Vruddhi sandhi, right?
Correct.
Vargata sandhi in Pradhamava.
No.
So be ready. You have to take class on sandhi for someone. So always when you comes to Ditya, you should not forget Prathama. That is the main challenge here. So Karta Karayita cha eva Prerakaha cha Anumodakaha. Prerakaha means the stimulator who gives the prerana to do it. And Prerakaha cha comes for and Anumodakaha is the supporter.
One who is
what you said?
Gives consent. One who gives consent or agree. One who agrees.
Yeah, in fact, gives consent and support him to do. For example, when the Karta does the matter, and another one person who knows about it and who is also present by the side, otherwise he may be present physically or something, physically present or not, but he gives the support to do it. No, the supporter. So all these four persons. Satvaraha. We said about four persons. Karta, Karayita, Prerakaha, Anumodakaha. All these four persons, Chatvaraha, are Samabhaginaha. Samabhaginaha all have equal share, to which means both for Sukrute and Dushkrute. Sukrute means misdeed, meritorious deed, and Dushkrute means misdeed.
Yes.
So they have equal rights. Sukrute, Dushkrute, it is in which vibhakti?
Sukrite. Shashti.
Shashtiya. Saptami. Rame.
Last one, Rame. Yeah.
Pale. So, like that we say, no, Pale. Palam Shabdam. Sukruddha. Dushkrutaha.
That is Napumsakalinga, right?
Napumsaka. So if we say take it in Napumsakalinga, Sukrudam. Generally we take it in Napumsakalingam. Sukrudam, Dushkrutam. Then fourth one. Punyasya phalamichanti punyam nechanti manavaha Na papapalam icchanti papam kurvanti yatnatah. So you might have heard this already, right? Acharya says about this, says this Subhashitam several times. You can please say.
पुण्यस्य फलमिच्छन्ति पुण्यं नेच्छन्ति मानवाः न पापफलमिच्छन्ति पापं कुर्वन्ति
यत्नतः. Yatnam means with yatnam. There is a
effort.
Huh?
Effort.
Yes, with effort, with great effort. They do it.
Okay.
And punyasya palam. Punyam means good deed. Punyasya palam, the result of good deed. Icchanti. Who means, first of all, I will say manavaha. Manavaha is the first word to be used. So manavaha means people. It's in plural. Totally it may they refer to people. Punyasya palam icchanti. Punyasya, it is in which bhakti? Shashti. Punyasya palam icchanti. Icchanti, since it is a plural, it is given as icchanti. Punyam na icchanti. Na icchanti becomes nechanti. It is which sandhi? Na plus a plus e becomes a.
Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi, yes. Nechanti manavaha na papapalam icchanti. Na papapalam na icchanti. They don't desire for papapalam, but papam kurvanti. They do the they did papam with efforts, with the special efforts.
Yes.
Okay. Then fifth is Subhashitam. So this looks like a bit tough, but it will be good. It is a good Subhashitam. Udyoginam purusha simham upaiti lakshmir daivena dheyamiti kapurusha vatanti daivam nihatya kuru paurusham atma shaktya yatne krite yedina siddhyanti to atra doshaha.
Okay. Udyoginam purusha simham upaiti lakshmi daivena deyamiti ka purusha vadanti daivam nihatya kuru paurushamatma shaktya yatne krite yedina siddhyanti kotra dosha.
Correct. So udyoginam purushaha. I will say it with anvayam, we can easily understand. First of all, I will say the padachedaha. Udyoginam, purusha simha iti. Purushaha simham upaiti lakshmihi daivena deyam iti ka purusha vadanti daivam nihatya kuru paurusham atma shaktya yatne krite yedi na siddhyanti kotra doshaha. Okay. So ka atra, that becomes kotra. Kaha atra generally it becomes ko. So since ko plus ko atra it becomes and because of Pururupa Sandhi it becomes kotra. Okay. So the actual overall meaning of this Subhashitam, already said, is a bit different Subhashitam. The overall meaning is, then first of all we have to take the word Lakshmi. Lakshmi means the goddess of wealth. In other words, the Lakshmi means generally the wealth and goddess of wealth. It comes to men who is diligent like a lion. Purushaha the goddess of wealth will bless. Otherwise, the wealth will come to Purushaha, who is similar to a lion. Okay. In Udyoginam. in doing the things.
Hmm.
Udyogina means in doing anything. Simha, like a simha means not just roaring and keeping aside. So you asked me to be a lion, so I will roar, but I will not do anything. That's not a matter. He's like a
Simha
lion
means just
in
a
work.
symbol of brave, brave. Just a symbol of brave, smartness.
That's a simple. So actually, if a lion thinks to not alone bravery, if a lion want to finish one matter, means it will finish it. No,
Correct.
it will enter and finish it. So
Yes.
it will be by God or luck. Is okay. Ka purusha means it's a covered. Ka purusha, the word that refers to covered. Coverts. I say coverts. No, coverts or a. In fact, a low grade person, and also he's a covered. So Daivena Deyam iti. It is given by Daivam or it is given by Deyam. Deyam means luck.
Okay.
Who says like that? Known as that. Daivam Nihatya Kuru. Nihatya Kuru Paurusham. Okay, Paurusham Atma Satya. When we try hard from our part with our power, with our maximum effort. Paurusham here refers to with our effort to do the things. Atma Shaktya, also with the full Atma Shakti. Yatne krite yadina siddhyante daivam nihatya. So even if after then now always we have a prativadi, no, he will be saying we have done it fully, but we haven't received the power. We haven't received the palan, like that they will say, no. So for them, this second half answers answers to their questions. Even Daivam Nihatyam, but we didn't say here for the when we say the first part alone, it will be like a Nastika Vadam. Nastika saying. Nastika saying means they don't say Daivam or Daivam.
There is nothing. Yeah.
Like that it is saying. But the
only the
actual
covered will say Daivam.
Covered says it is given by God, it is given by, it will be given by God. Why I need to work for that? It will be given by God, it will be get by luck. Like cowards used to say, but we have to work, like that they are saying. But there is one hidden meaning in this first part, which says that there is no God. But we should not, it is not, there is this may be understood from the first sentence. So only to avoid that meaning, they have given the last first next line. Daivam nihatya kuru paurusham atma shaktya. So Daivam, when we do a maximum work from ourselves, but it didn't yatne krite, with whatever effort we can do, we have did it. But if we didn't get it, means it was a nihatya by Daivam. It was a Daivam nihatya kuru. It didn't give it. And if we didn't get the palan of that, means na siddhyanti kotra dosha. We may not get the dosha of that. Na siddhyanti.
Okay.
So atra dosha. So atra. So our we don't have a problem there. This is the word given. Okay.
Okay. You
Can
once
you
explain in Tamil.
Huh?
You explain in Tamil once.
Sorry.
Can you explain in Tamil once?
Tamil,
huh?
Tamil, okay, Tamil சொல்றதுனா okay, English whether that words is not understandable, right?
Yeah. Sometimes.
So அதாவது உத்யோகினம் புருஷன் யார் ஒருத்தன் லக்ஷ்மி வந்து யார்கிட்ட போவா அப்படின்னா, லக்ஷ்மியா ஒரு வெல்த் யார்கிட்ட போவானா, எவன் வந்து வேலை செய்யறதுல சிங்கம் மாதிரி இருக்கானோ அவன் கிட்ட போவா. அதே மாதிரி இது தெய்வத்தால கொடுக்கப்பட்டது இல்லாட்டினா லக்குனால கிடைச்சது அப்படின்னு சொல்றவனுக்கு சொல்றவன் வந்து யாருன்னா இஸ் a covered, கோழை. அண்ட் இந்த மாதிரி சொல்றதுனால whether do we say that God is not there? Whatever we get, it is given by God only. We cannot say. Correct. But actually why they are saying like this, but the same சுபாஷிதம், அந்த சேம் சுபாஷிதம் சொல்றது தெய்வத்தால தான் கிடைச்சதுங்கிறத மட்டுமே நம்பிட்டு இல்லாம we should work, but the result should be given to God. That is the understandable meaning. The first sentence. The second sentence, when you take the second half, தெய்வம் நிகத்திய குரு, அதாவது நம்ம ரொம்ப மேக்சிமம் நம்மளோட எத்தனை கிருத்திய, நம்மளோட எவ்வளவு நம்மளால கொடுக்க முடிஞ்ச மேக்சிமம் எஃபர்ட் வச்சு, நம்மள்ட்ட இருக்கிற மேக்சிமம் சக்தியை வச்சு நம்ம ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கு எத்தனம், ஒரு காரியம் நடக்கிறதுக்கு முயற்சி எத்தனம் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். But leave luck. So we didn't see about the luck, and we try hard. Even then, if the work is not done, then deficiency is not at our part. Daivam nihate. So even if even then we didn't get it, means na siddhyanti means no problem. The dosha is not in our side, and we will not be in an unsatisfied condition. We will be in a satisfied condition only. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, got it.
புரிஞ்சுதா?
புரிஞ்சுதா.
நான் அன்வயத்தை வச்சுட்டு சொன்னதுனால இங்கிலீஷ்ல உள்ளது புரியல. So I will explain in English also. The goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, comes to men who is diligent like a lion. It will be by God or luck is saying by cowards. Is said by cowards. So leave luck and try hard. Even then, if work is not done, then the deficiency is not at your part. Okay. So sixth one, chayam anyasya kurvanti tishtanti swayamatape palanyani pararthai vrikshaha satpurushayava. I will change to the next.
Yatha paropakareshu.
Okay, here it is. Yatha paropakareshu. Okay, so I missed this thing. I think sorry. Yatha paropakareshu nityam jagarti sajjanaha tata parapakareshu nityam jagarti durjanaha. This is the simple Subhashitam when compared to the fifth one. Can you say it on time?
Yeah, sure. Yatha paropakareshu nityam jagarti sajjanaha tatha paropakareshu nityam jagarti durjanaha. First
line is paropakareshu, second line is parapakareshu.
Oh, okay.
Not paropakareshu. Yes, yeah, only a small rekha is different, but the meaning is completely different.
The meaning is opposite meaning.
Yes, both are paropakaram and parapakaram is opposite. So upakaram and apakaram. Para upakaram, para apakaram. Para upakaram means doing good to others, and para apakaram means doing bad to others. Yata, how. Sajjanaha. So this is the meaning. I will say it in Sanskrit. Whether can you follow it? Yata sajjanaha paropakareshu nityam jagarti. How so good people are always live, always jagardi, careful in doing good to others. Tata, similarly, same, the same way. Durjanaha parapakareshu nityam jagarti. Durjanaha means bad people. Para apakareshu, doing in bad to others, always they are careful, jagarti.
They are very proactive.
They are proactive, yes. So can you say paropakareshu and parapakareshu is in which vibhakti?
It is in Saptami.
Saptami. Which vachanam?
Rameshu. Bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan, correct.
Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu.
Rameshu, yes.
So Sharda ji, you completed the whole Subhashita, or?
I think 10 things she finished. We shall see. I will ask her. Chayam anyasya kurvanti tishtanti swayamatape Phalanyapi pararthaya vrikshaha satpurusha eva. Do you have any other work now, Ji? Either shall we continue?
We can do this one shloka.
Huh?
Then we'll do this seventh one and we will stop.
Seventh one alone you're saying, huh? Okay. Chayam anyasya. Anyaha means other person.
Okay.
Anyasya means for others or of others. So here, also, can you say it one time? Chayam anyasya.
Chaya manyasya kurvanti tishtanti swayamatape phalanyapi pararthaya vrikshaha satpurusha iva.
Yes, sir. So here this is here they say about vriksha and vrikshas means trees, and they explain that vrikshas are like satpurusha. So and what first is, it comes with an example. Chayam anyasya. Chayam anyasya means for others. Chaya, they gave the chaya. Chaya means shadow. Kurvanti. Kurvanti means they create shadow, freeze, which vrikshaha. Vrikshaha anyasya chayam kurvanti. For others, vrikshaha create shadows, but they tishtati means standing. Tishtanti is plural. Tishtanti swayam atape. Swayam, they themselves stand in scorching sun. Atape. Palanyapi parat pala. So now what Satpurusha does? Satpurusha does pararthaya palanyapi. Palanyapi pararthaya. So for others, good. They sacrifice themselves. They face the problems for themselves. So vrikshaha satpurusha eva. So vrikshas are like satpurusha.
So both are similar.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So लोभाविष्टो नरो वित्तं वीक्षते न तु संकटं दुःखं पश्यति मार्जरो न तथा लघुडाहतिम्. Can you read it?
लोभाविष्टो नरो वित्तं वीक्षते न तु संकटं दुग्धं पश्यति मार्जरो न तथा लघुडाहतिम्.
Yes. So lobhavishto naraha means a person. Naraha means a person. Lobhavishto means he is filled. Who is filled with greed? Vittam means money. Vikshate means sees. So a person who is filled with greed, he sees money. Natu sankatam, and he doesn't see the sankatam what he gets from that. So that is okay. I will explain this. He then see the problems that he faced because of that. So how means the example what they had given an example for this in the second line. Marjaraha means any idea? Marjaraha means cat.
Marjala is cat.
Marjara, yeah, generally Marjara is said. Marjaraha or Marjaraha? Marjaraha is given. So Marjaraha means the cat. Dukdam pashyati, it sees the milk alone. Na tata lagudahatim, but it doesn't see the blows it get. Cat generally bring the steals the milk and drink, no, but it gets back beats. So it doesn't see that. Similarly, lobhavishtonaraha vittam vikshate. So here one more thing they say, so vittam vikshate natu sankatam is given. No, generally there is also a saying in Subhashitam itself. It is said, without pain, money cannot be obtained. Money or any labham cannot be obtained. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
But anyhow, it is. But Sankatam is there in any side of Vitam, but if it goes on to a higher level, if it goes like grade, it is for our possibility we can work, not for very higher possibility. So that is the meaning here. Then Sampurna Kumbho na karoti shabdam ardo gato goshamupaiti noonam Vidwan kulino na karoti garvam gunairvihina bahujalpayanti. This is more or less understandable meaning is you read it.
Sampurna kumbho nakaroti shabdam
Ardo gato
अर्धो घटो घोषमुपैति नूनं विद्वान् कुलीनो न करोति गर्वं गुणैर्विहीना
बहुजल्पयन्ति. So,
yeah, the half-filled half-filled make
half-filled
more
part makes more noise, and full Sampurna Kumbha means full part. Na karoti shabdam. It doesn't create a shabdam. It doesn't create noises. But arda means half gato. Gosham upaiti. It gives a gosham. Not alone simple. The shabdam made by it will be like a gosham, and it will be noonam also. Noonam means each and every time it will be new and some anonymous sounds which cannot be explained that much easily. So Vidwan Kulino, a person, a Vidwan, a very knowledgeable person. Yes, Vidwan or Kulinaha. Kulinaha means noble person. Vidwan means not a simple Vidwan, and he is fulfilled with knowledge like that. Na karoti garum. He doesn't have any. They do not pride on themselves, on their accomplishments. So moodas, no, not moodas. No, gunair vihinaha, the person without guna. Vihinaha means without gunam. Bahujalpayanti makes they fools prattle as if devoid of efficacy. So bahujalpayanti, they pride themselves a lot.
False pride.
False pride, and false pride, in fact, they cannot say for even a small thing what they have did, they will pride themselves.
Okay.
They will speak proudly about themselves for what they have did. Okay. Last one is na choraharyam na cha rajaharyam na bhratrubhadyam na cha bharakari vyaye krite vardhatha eva nityam vidyadanam sarvadana pradhanam. So I think you would have studied this anywhere.
Okay. Yes, I have heard about it. I have heard about it.
Okay. I will read it slowly. Na choraharyam na cha rajaharyam na bhratrubhadyam na cha bharakari vyaye krite vardhatha eva nityam vidyadhanam sarvadhana pradhanam.
Na choraharyam na cha rajaharyam na bhratrubhadyam na cha bharakari vyaye krite vardhata eva nityam vidyadhanam sarvadhanam pradhanam.
Okay. Here they say about Vidya. Vidya Dhanam. Vidya itself, they say it as a Dhanam. So it is an important Dhanam. Na Choraharya. It cannot be stealed by Chora. Choraha means thieves. Na Rajaharya. It cannot be stolen by Raja also. So why stolen by Raja means how? Raja generally they don't steal. They have two ways to steal. If a Raja of another country comes and win our state, means they will steal the money, all the prosperities, and they will put that city into fire and leave. That is one type of Rajaharyam. And another type of Rajaharya means a certain Rajas will put a lot of tax, no?
Correct.
That is na Bhratrubhajyam. Bhratrubhajyam means divisible among brothers. Bhrata means brother. Yeah.
Like wealth or
It
property,
is
they
not
can't
cannot be divided among brothers. Nacha
Hmm.
Bharakari. Similarly, it is not a. It is not. We have said it as a dhanam, but it is not a bharam.
Okay.
Vyaye krite vardata eva. Even if we share it,
It will
vyaye
enhance.
krite vardata eva. It only grows. Nityam. It only even daily if we share also it only grows. Nityam Vidyadhanam Sarvadhana Pradhanam. Vidyadhanam is this Pradhanam among all the other dhanas, Sarvadhanas.
Other type of wealth. Hmm.
Okay. So this is the overall meaning. So you also just go through the meanings in the bottom.
Huh.
Sajjana, the Jantavaha means creatures, Savita means sun, Dushkutam, bad deeds, Anumodakaha, approver, Ka Purushaha, bad person, Chaya, shade, Atapaha, sunshine, Vittam, money, Lagudaha, stick, Goshaha, sound. Okay. So with this, our Subhashitam class is over. Whether I'm audible, G?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whether you understood? Is there any doubts?
Nothing. I will buy her and I will
Huh?
tell you.
Hello? I'm not
I will
audible.
buy her and I will tell you.
Yeah, you can buy her and